Set is the one of the data type in Python. To learn that data type, please continue this video. Before that, press the red color button, subscribe button, and press the like button. Ready to go. Hello guys, welcome to Abicobot YouTube channel. I already wrote the Python code which has a variable with the set values p equal to inside the curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. The set cannot take the duplicate values. We can check by printing that f5. Okay, it will not take the duplicate value. Like here is already a 2, it does not take 2 as the values in set. We cannot able to change or assign any values in the set values. It is unchangeable. So we can check whether it is changeable or not. Press F5 to print the output. Okay, it is showing the error. Set does not support item to assignment. Set always cannot be changed, but it can be add, update and remove by using the methods. First we use the method. Before that we remove this add of 6. We can print by F5. Okay, here the output comes by 1, 2, 3, 4 and adding the 6 together. Like that we can update the another set inside the one set by creating q equal to such inside curly bracket 7890 and updating another set by using the update method. Pressing F5 to get the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 is added to this method and 7890 added to this update of q. Is this variable is presented inside this. Okay, then we can remove by using this method. Here I am giving the direct value, not the index value. It is a direct value. It will remove the 3. Okay, we can check it output 0, 1, 2. Here does not appear the 3. So the remove, update and add methods are usually used in the set data type. Okay, if you have any doubts in this video, please ask for the comments and say for the another technical videos that I want to update, and press the red color button, subscribe button and like button, and share this video to your Python learning techie friends. Okay, see you tomorrow.